Welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to be showing you how we made this moss removal tool. You may have seen our other video where we showed you how we used it on the roof covered in moss, but we thought we'd do a separate video showing you in detail how we've made it for very little money, really about £10. So one of the reasons that we've made our own profile there is that we've seen them advertised for sale for hundreds of pounds, and we've made this for the price of a piece of scrap steel and an old roller handle. What we've done here is, for ourselves, we were able to remove these tiles really easily off this roof. It might be a bit daunting taking tiles off, so what you could use is one of these profile gauges. Again, just offer it up, it locks in place, take the profile gauge down and draw around you whatever you're going to be using for making your tool. We were lucky enough to have a bit of stainless steel hanging around. We got the shape of the tiles, drew it on there, cut it out with a grinder and folded the top over, put it in a vise and hammered over the top just to form a little bit of strength. And then of course we're adapting the roller handle, the extra long one that we've got, to use that to reach the top of the roof. So we've just got an old paint roller there and we've cut the top off. We put a thread on there so we could pass that through a hole in the profile that we've made, put a nut on that. Simple as that, we're able to make our moss removal tool. But what I will say is make sure that when you do fold over the top of your profile, make sure you're turning it the right way, or else your profile will be back to front. So there we are, that's how we made it. Let's see it in action here. You see us using it for this job. Let's check out the channel. There's loads of other videos on there with tips and tricks. And we've also got another video coming up. Now that the moss is off this roof, it's a good idea to put some moss prevention solution on there, and we've got a little DIY way of doing that, spraying that up there. So check that out in the coming weeks. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below. It really helps out our channel. We'll see you on the next one.